goddamn.
It's been times I done experienced and been told a lot of shit, fool.
What you talking about, bro? Don't say nothing crazy. You just said enough crazy shit today.
No, because like you got to think too, fool. If you ever been in a trap, slept in a trap, any type of trap, it always be these types that come in there and be needing something.
Nigga, them niggas need something regardless.
So look, listen what I'm saying.
Okay, I'm listening.
Hear me out.
I'm all here.
They be needing something. What I mean, they be needing something. They be needing their little fix. They ain't got no funds, so what they gonna do? She ain't got no teeth.
I didn't figure it out until, auntie sucking dick for drugs is crazy. That's OD. That's OD. But
So if you ever experienced that, you done experienced.
wait, so what the fuck you mean? What are you saying to me right now? What are you trying to tell me? Have you ever slept inside a trap? You slept inside the trap.
Gotta see that shit through, boy. Gotta see that shit feel like.
Man, let's finish reacting. I think Skrilla finna come on.